Greetings family, it's AP and today I'm gonna take you on a tour of this 3-bedroom house for rent in Kololi. You guys are gonna love it, so make sure you watch this video to the end. We're gonna get the information and everything. So guys, let's go on a tour. Queen Jody's not here today, it's just me, but I'm gonna show you guys around this magnificent house. So first guys, this is the entryway right to the house. They're actually renovating it right now, right? This is the outside. One thing I love with this house is that you have a long driveway, so that means you can park more than one car here. This is the gate to come inside. As you can see, you have avocado hanging over from next door. I like that. I like that it's like, you know, filled with trees and stuff like that. And here you have a maranga tree for all those who love maranga and stuff like that. You have a nice, well-maintained garden section here. Big windows. Yeah, the place is nice. And so as I said, the garden space right here is just magnificent. I love it. I love the tile work. This is just the outside. I like that it has space. Not the back, you have boys quarters. Here's another avocado tree, you know, nice gardening. Some people are here now, but they will move if you rent it. Yeah, it's the laundry space. You have banana tree and stuff around that side. So I'm gonna go inside now and show you the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen, guys. This entire thing is the kitchen. So for all of you who like to cook, this right here is a huge kitchen, right? So you see they have the stove inside here set up, and you have your sink here and your cupboard. Ooh. Yeah, nice cupboard space. They're actually cleaning right now, renovating. So if you're watching this video and you want this place to rent, it's available. For me, I like the tile. I like that the tile work is in sync back with the cabinet. Jody is very good at identifying these things, and I think this is for like getting rid of the smoke out of the kitchen. So for all of you people who like to, you know, do big cooking, it's nice. I also like the floor. The tile that's on the floor is very nice as well. Yeah, so let me just take you guys around here to show you the room. Yeah, so this is the living space, right? I think it comes with those sofa in there as well. And this is the first room. I think this is the master bedroom based on the size. Yeah, it's huge. I'm way in the corner right now. You can see the entire room still. I like that it has 2 windows. That means the air can pass through and exit through the other one, or vice versa. I like that the windows are big as well. And I like the color as well, to be honest with you. And the tile again is nice. And this bathroom. So this bathroom here is nice. It comes with a bathtub. It's been a while since I've seen a house with a bathtub. And let me check the water. Yeah, there's water. So the water pressure is good. And this tile is nice as well. The bathroom has a pipe, toilet. No water heater though, and no AC. But if you're coming to this house, you can always install a portable AC, you know. I was telling you guys about outside. You can see those boys quarters are going to be a part of the house once you rent it, and you can store your stuff around there. And you know, if you have stuff that you need to store, yeah. So yeah, this is the other room right here, right? This is the other room. So it's 3-bedroom, 1 window in this room, but it's still spacious enough. Yeah, I like the ceiling work, as I always admire the ceiling work that the Gambians do. The ceiling work is very nice. So they're cleaning up the space right now so that people can move in and stuff. So let me show you this bathroom right there. This bathroom is nice. This style is very nice as well. Yeah, stuff like that. So okay. So they're just cleaning up. Yeah. So this is available, guys. Right now you can move in if you want. It's nice. This one give you outside view of the garden that's out there, and it's not too far away from the main road in Kololi. You can walk to the main road, take a taxi, go to Senegambia, you know, go to Turntable City. So that's basically it for the inside of the house, right? But let me walk back this part and show you guys around the back again. So that's it for the inside of the house, but it's very nice. Yeah, and it's cash power, so connected to the NOIC grid out there, and it's in a nice community, guys. Quiet community, no problem, no stress. So to go back, you would head that way to go back to the highway to get a vehicle to travel. And you can see they have garden outside, very nice on both sides. And you know, I just love the gardening aspect of this house. The wall is high. It's a straight walk around the house. So all of this will be yours once you rent it. Yeah. So guys, comment and let me know what you think about this house. If you would rent it, it's available now. And it's cash power, so connected to the NOIC grid out there, and it's in a nice community, guys. Quiet community, no problem, no stress. So to go back, you would head that way to go back to the highway to get a vehicle to travel. And you can see they have garden outside, very nice on both sides. And you know, I just love the gardening aspect of this house. The wall is high. It's a straight walk around the house. So all of this will be yours once you rent it. Yeah. So guys, comment and let me know what you think about this house. If you would rent it, it's available now. Okay, family, so if you like this house and you want to rent it, the price is $275,000 a year. Contact us at the number that you see on the video or in the description if you're interested in renting this house. It's now powered, but light and water is consistently here. It's in a developed community in Kotu, and it's access to Kololi, Senegambia, the beach, everything that you may like. This is the place for you. It's very nice. I like it. I hope you guys like it. Looking forward to hear from you. All right, peace out. Yeah, no problem, we can go.